Week 18 for Tuesday. Another great day to spend in the great state of Hawaii. So let's see what we have for our Tuesday questions. What is the capital of Hawaii? On which island is the capital found? Well, remember with a capital, we're looking for a star. So here it is. Honolulu. And it is located on the island of Oahu, I believe is how that's pronounced. So, the capital of Hawaii is Honolulu. Which is on the island of Oahu. I know I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. And what is the name of the largest island in size? So we have these islands here. Which one is the largest? Oh, this one right here. All right. And I believe, so let's see, that's an island. And this one goes here. This one's here, here, here. And Maui is here. This one is right there, which means the mainland, Hawaii, of Hawaii. I believe that's correct. All right, because this right here belongs to that island right there. You can double check that for me and make sure that it's right. Remember, I say a lot of times, I do this right alongside you, no answer key, so that we can kind of struggle through this together. Ms. Metz had her students estimate the length and width of a math book. Dana's estimate was 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters. The book measured 24 centimeters by 16. How off was her estimate? So we have this math book that was thought to be 40 centimeters and 20 centimeters. In reality, that book was 24 by 16. And that's not really to scale, but we'll give you an idea. All right, so 24 centimeters by 16 centimeters. So how off were we on the height? Well, we had 40 was the guess and 24 was the reality. So we were off by 16 centimeters. And going across here, we had 20. That's what we thought. It actually measured to be 16, and that is 4. So we were off by 16 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Moving right along. Daily math language review. 9 times 5, 45. 286 minus 79. Can we take 9 from 6? No. So we're going to need to borrow 1, add 1. And this will give me 7. 7 minus 0. I'm sorry, 7 minus 7 is 0. And then just the 2 right there. So 207. Mark the X, or I'm sorry, circle the digit in the ones place. Mark an X on the digit in the hundreds place. Well, the digit in the hundreds place is right here. That's an X. And circle the digit in the ones place. It's the one right here. So 9 is the one that's left over. Nine is left over. Number 4. 8 cups equals how many quarts? Oh dear. You know what this means. We are going to have to do some checking here. So, before we do some checking here, let's look at this conversion, which I will be getting up on the website kind of under our resources, but we call this the big G, the big gallon. The Q stands for quarts. The P stands for pints. And if you look very closely inside each of the P's is a C for cups. So 8 cups is equal to how many quarts? Well, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2 pints and then the 1 quart. And then 5, 6, 7, 8 is 2 pints, which is the same as 1 quart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is going to give us 1 and 2 quarts. So that will get us this one right there. Okay, moving right along. Number 5 here says if 1 pencil costs Nick 9 cents, how many will 8 pencils cost? This is a simple multiplication problem. Okay, 8 pencils at 9 cents a piece is 72 cents. If Nick pays with 3 quarters, how much change will he get back? So 3 quarters is 75 cents. So we'll subtract that and get a 3 cents back for change. Don't spend it all in one place. All right, down here for our language review, singular or plural. Remember, singular means one, single. Plural means more than one. So keys, that is plural. Family, that is a tricky one. That is singular. Yeah, but hold on a minute. My family's got all kinds of people in it. I understand that. But one collective group, so let's say mom, dad, brother, sister, that whole collective group is one group. And so that is what it makes, that's what makes it singular. Give a common noun for the proper noun. The boxcar children, that's a proper noun. The common noun would be a book, is the name of a book. correct these sentences. My favorite magazine, Teen Beat, comes on Thursdays. All right. Let's get something pulled up here. You probably know what it is. A great resource that we have. So we're going to capitalize my favorite magazine, comma, Teen Beat. So let's head to our help page here. It is a magazine, and so we are going to underline it. So, and we need to capitalize it too. So Teen Beat, underlined with commas on either side, comes on Thursdays. Period. And then down here, the power will be out from 600 to 830. That doesn't sound right. How about the power will be out from 6 o'clock until 8:30. Period. Actually, we'll just make that a period right there. We need to add colons in between there. All right. Let's get to the minute. Write the fraction that names the shaded portion. So remember, part over whole. All right, the whole figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, it has 5 pieces. And of those 5, the part that is shaded is 3. The expanded form of 4,120 is 4,000. There's the 4, plus 100 plus 20. Let's see, 0, 6 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1,306. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So 5 kilometers is going to be equal to 5,000 meters. 42 divided by 7 is 6. Ooh, now here is one that I hope to get to as we get through our multiplication here. 24 times 2. Now you may be looking at that and saying, oh, I don't know how to do a multiplication problem like that. Okay. But anytime that we're multiplying by 2, remember, we're just basically adding. All right, so 4 plus 4 is 8, and 2 plus 2 is 4. But if we take a look right here, and let's get zoomed in so that we can see how this process works. This is our anchor number, and so we're going to take 2 and multiply it by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. And then we're going to take that same anchor number, that 2, and multiply it this way. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? All right. And you'll get really good at that later on. In 84 plus 11 equals 95. The number 95 is called the sum. That is true. And let's do some greater than, less than, equal to. 989 is less than 998. 419 is less than 941, and 491 is greater than 419. Write the correct adverb to complete each sentence. Remember, an adverb modifies or tells about a verb. The boy sang inside the theater. We wouldn't say the boy sang loudly the theater. The turtle slowly walked across the grass. We missed the show because we were 10 minutes late. Marlowe happily accepted her award. We ran outside to catch the bus. We will go shopping for new clothes today. Simon ran so quickly, he beat everyone. The bees busily made honey in their hives. The apple fell down from the tree. I brush my teeth, I hope, daily. Not weekly. So that takes us to the end of week 18, Tuesday's morning work. Change what needs changing, keep what needs keeping, and above all else, keep doing a great job. Proud of every one of you.